Well, finally got a little bit of a change here as we get into our Wednesday. It looks like some clouds going to work their way into the picture as we get into this afternoon. Latest look at FUTURETRACK doing a pretty good job at pinning them down, and you'll see that overspread the area, especially as we get into this afternoon and evening. Now it's going to filter out some of that sun. We're still getting back into the 70s. You can thank those winds out of the south. Again, some of these gusts getting up around 25 or 30 miles an hour later on today. That'll kind of carry our temperatures a little more so than we've seen in the last couple of days. But more sunshine looks to be a little easier to find as we get into Thursday and Friday. Temperatures all the while hanging out in those low to mid 70s. So it is going to be picture perfect here as we close out this work week and getting into the weekend itself. Again, more sunshine, at least on Saturday. It looks like those clouds may start to increase on Sunday, but both days still hanging out in the 70s here. Stop me if you've heard this before, but it's going to be a little bit breezier than what we have seen here as we get into Saturday and especially by Sunday. That's as the storm system's approaching from the west here. Latest look at FUTURETRACK holding off on any of those rain chances until late Monday night and into Tuesday is what the trend's been so far this morning, to push it maybe a little bit later into Tuesday more so right now. So we'll continue to track that. I think a little more meaningful impact, not only those showers and thunderstorms, it's going to be the return of some cooler air as we get into about Tuesday and Wednesday of next work week. So something that's going to be settling in, setting up shop here as we get into the middle of next work week. So maybe a little added incentive here as we get into these next couple of days. Looking at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, we're hanging out in the 70s all the way through this weekend, even still hanging on to the 70s, it looks like, by Monday. Before some cooler air starts to work its way in by Tuesday into Wednesday. Could come with a few rumbles of thunder, though, as we kick off next work week. We'll continue to track that as we get a little bit closer to that event.